How do I connect my PS5 controller to my Bluetooth in my PC or in my laptop? For this, firstly, we need to understand how to use the DualSense wireless controller with PC, Mac, Android, and iOS. So, device wireless controller can be used on iPod 14.5, iOS 14.5, Android 12, or tvOS 12.5. How to pair DualSense wireless controller with a supported device. To pair your controller, you need to open your Bluetooth and turn on the pairing mode. Make sure the player indicator is on, the controller is off. If the player indicator is on, press the hold and PS button until it's turned off. A USB cable is connected to the controller. You can disconnect it while pressing and holding the create button. Press hold the PS button unlike light bar links. Enable Bluetooth on your device and then select the controller from the list of Bluetooth device. When the pairing is complete, then the player indicator lights up. Your controller can be paired only with one device at one time. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this. Keep watching, keep loving.